Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, Aries, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's start with these cards here. We have Strength, Four of Wands and Hermit in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, guys, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. So Aries, I see that you are someone who's really strong-headed, strong-willed, and whatever you believe in, you go for those path, and you have a strong conviction, determination, willpower, and you are really courageous, and you make a lot of efforts and you work towards your dreams and goals, whatever you need to achieve for yourself, Aries. And you are someone who's really confident about yourself. So you have a lot of confidence in your skills and talents, and you are working towards that. And maybe today, for some reasons, maybe you do not want failure or you do not want any difficulties. You are taking cautious steps towards something. Maybe there is an offer or opportunity coming in your life. It may be in your work or it may be in your personal life, but you are treading carefully. You don't want any difficulties in your life. Maybe you don't want any financial loss or you don't want to make anything wrong. So you are taking careful steps to avoid some difficulty, to avoid some stress in your life today, guys, Aries. And Aries, I also see that maybe on certain things you are really happy. You are celebrating. Maybe there may be a new beginning you are seeing for yourself in your life. Maybe in your work or in your in your relationship. There is something you are celebrating, something you are really happy about, and you are celebrating this success or this relationship or this new love. So some happiness, some celebration is there in your life today, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Let's see what is the card for your relationship first. We have Queen of Swords in reverse. So with this card in your situation, guys, it may be what this person feels about you or what you feel about them. Maybe they feel that you are not showing the truth. Maybe you are hiding certain things from them. You are holding on to some secrets maybe. Or this may be their energy towards you or your energy towards them, guys, Aries. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. We have King of Cups. So in your career situation, guys, you are someone who is really talented, skilled, dedicated, and you are someone using your skills and talents to the best efforts, and that may be the reason you are tasting success in your work situation, guys, Aries. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So if you want more clarity, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aries. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and first crystal. This is your second card and second crystal. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds about your situation, then open your eyes and choose the card. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start with the first card. So this card is from the Crystal Spirits Oracle. So let's see what is the guidance. So I will keep this card aside and we will see what is the card for y'all. The first card and the crystal, the guidance, Tiger Eye. So this is your crystal guidance, guys. I hope you can see the card here. I will leave the crystal here. So this crystal stands for positive intentions. So whatever we want to manifest in our life today, let it be our career situation or let it be our relationship, when we have positive intentions, it is going to work out in a positive way, guys. And just being interested in someone does not mean that we are going towards marriage or a deep commitment. So you need not have any fear towards knowing someone you are really interested in. Just maybe asking them out or just meeting up with that person does not mean anything great. You can just know them as a friend. Maybe you are having some kind of blocks in your mind. Maybe you have something blocking you from moving towards someone you are interested in. And this crystal guidance is not only having those dreams and fantasies, some wishful thinking. It stands for action. So you can ask them out, maybe spend time with this person you are interested in. And maybe if you are optimistic, if you have positive intentions towards this connection, it may work out well for you guys, and you will not feel sorry for knowing them or going out of the way, maybe taking this first step today in this relationship, today towards this person you are interested in. So with this card, the guidance is that maybe some of you all are just worried or something is holding you back from connecting to someone you are interested in. But you need not fear. You have to let go all your fears and you can move forward and you will not regret that you took this first step, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card and the second crystal. So let's see what is the card. It is Blue Beard, Taboos. So for those who chose this card, guys, maybe in your situation today, you are maybe in a relationship with someone or you are having a friendship with someone, but you do not know them very well. Maybe they are hiding some secrets, and maybe if it is something small, it is not to worry, but this person may be dangerous. They want you to know only their better qualities, and they are hiding some things evil. Maybe they have evil intentions. And if you have people, your soul family, maybe your friends or family members who are really concerned about your welfare, who are having positive intentions towards you, and you know them very well, you trust them very well. And if this person is suggesting you certain things, is advising you against this relationship or against this connection, You need to listen to it, guys, and you need to be curious about this person. Maybe if you do not have clarity about what are their intentions, you have to have curiosity, find out what is there in their mind. Maybe your curiosity may help you out of some difficult situation, guys. Maybe holding on to secrets is nothing bad. But if this relationship involves obedience or some kind of punishment, you need to take a step back, think, then make a right decision, guys, for you and for this relationship. Maybe it holds some hidden dangers. You have to be really careful, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.